I'm in San Antonio, Texas at Make Ready Kitchen. Just got finished with a bicycle ride. I headed down here to eat dinner and forgot that every Tuesday night, San Antonio, Texas Social Ride has an evening ride. They gather, probably 100 people, 150 people, something like that, got together and cruised around San Antonio. And so let's check out that ride. The weather was perfect and this was a great ride. It's cool, like everybody was honking at us the whole way and like waving, not honking at us to get out of the way, but really just waving, people on the side of the street waving and saying hi. And it was just a good time, about a 10-mile bike ride around San Antonio at night. Oh. Hi. We're taking a break to let everybody catch up. We're somewhere like north of San Antonio at San Pedro Park area, or right close to it. People decorated their bikes really cool. I mean, lights on the rims and neon, and there were a lot of trailers that people were pulling behind with radios and coolers, and a lot of people brought their pets.
Remember, mozzarella!
Crossed under this cool sign that said Josephine Tobin Drive. And there was a huge lake here. I'll have to look this up. This is Woodlawn Lake Park. This is super fun. Next time I'm taking the GoPro. All right, made it back to the market something over here at Idle Brewery, and gonna go grab some food. Yes, I'm a weirdo. I got the black bean burger. Wow, that is good. Karaoke night, Little Shop of Horrors. Cool and surprising evening with SATX Social Ride.